Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Edition pickup. On the exterior of this Tacoma, we have lane departure technology, power door mirrors, and available four-wheel drive. Inside, you'll find easy-to-clean cloth seating for 5, adaptive cruise control, and illuminated entry. The 6.1-inch touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This one-owner 2019 Toyota Tacoma has less than 34,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.